Welcome back to Math 171 Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at solving a system of equations using matrices, but we're going to have the calculator do all our work for us. Now, in the previous video, we took a look at how to write an augmented matrix. So now we need to put this into the calculator. The system of equations we're going to look at, which I'm going to type in the description, is 2x plus y plus 2z equals 18, x minus y plus 2z equals 9, and x plus 2y minus z equals 6. So put this in the calculator. We need to hit second, and then matrix is above x to the negative 1. And then I'm going to scroll over to hit edit. Choose the matrix that I want to edit. And the first thing that I need to edit is the dimension. The first number here is the number of rows in the matrix, so that's going to be 3. Then the second number is the number of columns I need, which is 4. Now, one of the columns does appear off screen here. That's fine. And now I can just put the coefficients in the calculator. So 2, 1, 2, 18, 1, negative 1, 2, 9. By the way, I'm hitting enter after each of these numbers. 1, 2, negative 1, 6. And then to get out of this menu, I'm going to hit second. And then right above mode, you see the word quit. So that's going to take me back to the home screen. Now I need to go back into this matrix menu, so I'll get second matrix. Now I'm going to scroll over to math. And if I scroll down in this menu somewhere, there's a couple of things. There's REF, which would give you the solution to the last variable, and then you can back substitute from there. But probably the easier way to work is RREF, which will actually take care of everything. So the first entry in every row is going to be a 1, and then it's going to be zeros below it for the first row. Second row, first entry is going to be a 1, and it's going to have zeros everywhere above and below it. So I hit RREF, and then second matrix. Enter to select matrix A. If I had it in some other matrix, I need to select the appropriate matrix. Close my parentheses, and hit enter. And on some of the newer calculators, this does look a little bit nicer. But on here, they have the big or outside brackets just to indicate that it's a matrix, and then the inside brackets just indicate each row. But I can look at this and see, doing it the same way that we created the augmented matrix, x equals 5, y equals 2, and z equals 3. So that's our solution. That will conclude this video. In the next video, we're going to take a look at some of the different things that can come out of this other than just getting a single solution.